In this video, we are looking into the unboxing and initial impression of Kiwi Years KE4. It's a successor, or we can say upgrade to the Quartet they had, and this one has exactly same kind of driver configuration, 2BA, 2DD, and is priced nearly twice as much as the Quartet, but I believe it is a much better IM than the Quartet, but one cannot be sure. In any case, unboxing it, we will see if it is better than the Quartet or not, or whatever it is. We will have an idea in the initial impression. Definitely, Quartet was a very good IM in my opinion. I liked it a lot. It was a slightly warmer, slightly fuller sounding IM with very good bass and kind of smoother mid-range and treble. Treble was not the best with the Quartet, but KE4 has doubled down on the bass. I think we are getting coaxial drivers here. If I'm not wrong, you guys can see 2BA, 2DD in your excellence. Okay, in their words, it's already excellent. So we are getting two 10 mm dynamic drivers, one Knowles and one customized BA, and the impedance is at 28 ohm, which is very good. 3 bores. Okay, it's not like 2 bore or anything like that. So these BA drivers are with their own bore design. Sensitivity is slightly on the lower side at 102 dB. Let's see. One major issue with Kiwi Years is that they do not like to provide any modularity with their cable or even 4.4 mm cable option. So that is a slightly disappointing fact about this brand. They are not very keen on providing slightly better cables too, but yeah, that is what it is. They are very confident in their tuning, and that is what making them not focus on the cable at all. In any case, we are getting exactly same kind of accessories that we got with the Quintet, and this one is priced at $200 too, so I'm not expecting anything different at all. Same cable, you guys can see, same cable, exactly same cable, nothing is different here. Exactly same cable, and slightly different kind of tips, slightly different. This looks slightly different, and we are getting some filters here, nozzle filters. That is good. I'm liking the packaging at this point of time. I will complain about the cable later when I find out that it does not sound great. So yeah, that is for the initial impression. In any case, let's have a look at the earpieces. We are getting a slightly different design on the back plate. You guys can see slightly ivory, or you can say pearl kind of design, silver colored back plate, and semi-custom design. Slightly stubby, it kind of feels slightly stubby because of its thicker shell. It's very lightweight. You guys can see, looks good, looks very good in my opinion. Looks nice. I'm liking this look of the KE4. So this is the unboxing. Initial impression follows. So thank you for watching, guys. So I have been burning this IM for last 10-12 days to be precise. This is not exactly a initial impression anymore. This is more like a short review at this point of time, because I was unable to make time to make a initial impression video of the K4. I received it the next day. I received the 7ers 5. So yeah, it has been a while, but I was unable to make time to make a video on this. So take it as a short review, not an initial impression anymore. In any case, this is a very good sounding IM for those who like tonal accuracy. Okay, the Quartet Evolution, I'll have to say Quartet Evo, is KE4. This one has exactly same set of drivers, 2BA and 2DD. But the difference here is that while the Quartet didn't had anything special with the dynamic drivers, this one has isobaric DDs, so they kind of help each other out uh, while delivering some loose notes. They do help each other tighten a bit, so that is a good thing. And this IM is very good when it comes to fit, very good build quality too, and it looks nice. It does not look very attractive or anything, but it looks nice. And this time around the cable is not horrible. I was not happy with the cable of Quintet, but this cable is decent with the K4. It does not make it sharp or anything, so that is a good thing. And I did change the tips, and these tips are good, no issues. But the stock tips do sound slightly different, slightly more tonally accurate somehow. But these tips are not bad at all. If you want to use your stock tips, you can definitely use them, no issues there at all. And if we talk about sound quality, I'll have to say that this is a very well behaved IM. Okay, it does not have any V. It has slight bit of W shaped signature to it, but it is not exactly bound by the triple peakiness or triple forwardness at all. So it is a more like a slightly N shaped, I'll have to say. The treble is fairly linear and well extended. So this one is a slightly warm but very tonally accurate sounding IM. Very good tonality, to be precise. One of the best tonality under $300. If you are looking for a very tonally accurate IM for both vocals and instrument, this one is the one to get. And we get very good bass response. I cannot find any flaws in its bass, except that it is slightly on the loose side. If you like precision and accuracy, this one can feel slightly loose. And it does not have that exact accuracy that I find with some $500-$600 IEMs. But for $200, this is very good with the definition and detailed, nicely layered too. Very good sub bass. I forgot about the sub bass and mid bass while I'm in the flow. So yeah, very good sub bass, very good rumble, very good mid bass body too. It is well rounded. The body, the area of impact is not huge, but it is slightly compact when compared to bass head IEMs like 7S5. 7S5 has a bigger area of impact, but this one is slightly smaller but is more punchy. It moves in a bit more air and a bit deeper too. So yeah, very good mid bass body, very good slam, and I like the amount of air it moves, so that is a good thing. And nice dynamics. I will not say that dynamics are bad or anything like that, but yes, it is not very tight or very accurate, but yeah, it is good for a slightly fun signature. This is a very good sounding IM. I like the feel of it. Okay, the musicality of this IM is very good. If we talk about the mid range is, as I said, very tonally accurate. The tonal accuracy is fantastic. Very good resolution, very good texture, but definition is slightly lacking because of its slightly smoother presentation. It is not like lacking, but it is kind of not that transparent. If I talk about treble 2 is very well extended, and I like the kind of extension and definition it has. It is not very transparent or very clear, but it has very good agility. It does have slight bit of dampening at the floor, which does not let the instrument to be very agile, but it is agile enough with very good clarity and definition. So I'm liking the way this IM sounds. And this is the short review. Okay, short review and unboxing going in here. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy. The long review coming soon.